Hello, beautiful people. I'm shaking because I've got this on the ground because it's super cold outside. And so I'm doing this in my living room. Now, this is Mod Podge, of course, from Walmart because this is the bigger one. You can get it from Dollar Tree as well. The glitter, huge thing of that. That's definitely from Walmart. And these two little guys that I've just painted and they're drying. This is like just a little cup from Walmart that I cut off most of it, and I mixed the Mod Podge and the glitter together. Ooh, sorry. And I think it's easier that way instead of getting the glitter everywhere. So we're gonna see how that works out. And then to put it on, I sponged it with a little sponge brush that you get in the makeup section. So I'm gonna let these dry and we are gonna see if we need more or if I'm gonna like it like this. I think I'm gonna try to do one more coat on there. This is my second coat and they're looking really pretty. And I'm gonna let those dry and then I'll be back. So I'm taking these two little stem candle holders. They're so pretty and they're also from the Dollar Tree. And I'm taking some of this 5 diamond row wrap around and I'm just placing them around. And I've done this for another one as well, another DIY, but this really works for me and it looks so pretty. So I'm going to finish this up and then go to the next step. So taking my E6000 glue, I'm just going to take and place some glue just right around the top, just all the way around here. And yeah, it gets a little bit messy. And then I'm just going to attach it to the bottom and just center it and let these dry. And then I will be back to show you the final results.